I am 4 months into fatherhood, and it's a trip, y'all. It is a trip. Um, Man, it's amazing. It Watching this little person just become, who he is. Like watching his personality come out, and it's just so it's incredible. Um, and I miss him. I'm out on a walk right now, and I'm gonna get back, and he's I'll go say hey to him, and he'll just smile at me, and it's just amazing. It's just amazing. Uh, this shit's hard though. It is hard work. And so I'm 4 months in now, and it's like, compared to a newborn, it's easier. No, everyone says like, oh, the newborn stage is easy because they just sleep all the time, and that is true. That part is easier, but it's the sleep deprivation is what's I think it's the sleep deprivation is one of the primary ways that it's hard. It's hard in other ways because, like, when he's awake, you can't like do anything. You are completely focused on him and what he needs, and you kind of set him down in his little play gym, and he'll play in there for a little while, and you're like, oh, please just play for just give me like 15 minutes to like sit here and drink this coffee. And he starts crying, and so it is a lot. It's like more work than I ever imagined, but it's amazing too. It's just amazing, and we just like can't stop looking at him, and he's just really smiley right now. He started to giggle a little bit. His newest thing too is he does this like fake cough, which he started doing a couple days ago, and he started doing this fake cough, and I'm like looking at Britt like, this is not a real cough. Like, why is he doing this? And he just keeps doing it. He's been doing it so much, and we Googled it, as you do as a new parent. And yeah, kind of come to find out it's like a common thing that babies do this fake cough. It's like a way to get attention, or communicate. They're like learning how to communicate, which is funny because we're like, bro, like, you're not getting enough attention already. But we, in our neighborhood, we play bunco with some people in the neighborhood, and we did bunco last night, and some of our neighbors were holding him, and this one woman, kind of a young woman, was holding him, and he just fake coughed non-stop. And it was funny. It was like he was like flirting with her or something. He was just like sit there like 6 inches from her face and just like constantly, and we're like, I'm sorry, he's doing this right now, I don't know why. So yeah, 4 months into fatherhood, it's a blessing. It continues to be a roller coaster of emotions. It's harder in some ways, it's easier in some ways too. He takes longer naps now, kind of, sometimes. He's sleeping more through the night, although we are entering the 4-month sleep regression. So he's having a little hard time at night, but it's kind of easier in that he's got more personality. He's more fun now. We can interact with him more. But it continues to be, we continue to be overjoyed, and still overtired. So 4 months into fatherhood. It's a trip.